You see, this is the driver's seat. Okay, this is the driver's seat, and there is trying. Okay, there's many things. Okay, many things. Okay, and this is the driver's seat. Okay, so nice to see. Okay, the steering is so thin. So guys, assalamu alaikum. This is me, Akib Jaman, and hope you guys are doing great. I'm also bright and dandy. Okay, and today I'm going towards Medina. We're going towards Medina, and this is the Malik Fahad Road. And as you see, this is Malik Fahad Road, and this is the Riyadh city, okay, of Saudi Arabia. You see, so nice cars, and there is also the construction. Okay, there is maybe a construction here. Okay, you see, and these cars are going. Okay, we're inside the bus. That's why. Okay. Yeah, so nice city, and there is now you see big building. Okay, so big building tower. Okay, and there is the trees as well. Okay, and do you know where we are? We are in the bus. Okay, you see, yeah. There is a building bigger, so bigger. Okay, there is the Kingdom Tower. Okay, as well. Yeah, and this car this car goes, and this car have not our bus. Okay, this car in front of the camera. Okay, this car have two cameras. Okay, two yeah. Now, as you see, we're in the bus, and now it is night. Okay, now it is at 7:30 and 37. Okay, now we are in Saudi Arabia. Okay, there is the time. Okay, today is Thursday, and we'll reach in Medina in the Friday. Okay, and I'll see. Let me show you. The light is active now. Or this is light. You can on it or off it. Okay, like this. And okay, on it, off. Okay, like we can off it. Now we'll on it, off it. Okay, like this. This is the function. Okay, so if you guys will pray for us, and now we will go off the Medina, and now the driver haven't come. The driver did not come now. Okay, and did not come yet. Okay, so this is the driver. Okay, and this is the one. Okay, look, there's TV. There's many functions. Okay, and the speed, then the steering. Okay, many things. Okay, so nice, like a light, rainbow. Okay, there's many lights. That's why I'm saying rainbow. Okay, this is the driver's seat. Okay, like this. Okay, there's trying Look the speed. Okay, then this is the monitor, and this is 18. Okay, and this is the bus. Okay, yeah, someone is crying. No problem. And this is the AC. Okay, there is this AC. Okay, light. And look at that tower. Okay.
This is KFD, King Abdullah Financial District.
And this is
KFD.
This is KAFD.
King Fahd
Financial District. Okay. So
there are a lot of towers here.
yeah, and there are too many towers. Okay. Like a small tower, bigger tower, a small tower, bigger, a small, bigger, a small, bigger, like this. Okay. And this car is so nice. I like this car, Nissan GTR. Okay. And
Where is Nissan GTR?
yeah, that one.
Huh?
That one.
Look at the train, like it.
Yeah. Rail.
Right.
Metro.
Now this is the metro, okay? Riyadh metro. Okay, so nice. We started the bus started running from the Bata, okay? Bata, okay? I fall down. Yeah. No problem. Okay, this is the Riyadh metro.
You show the KFD again.
Yeah, this is the KFD. Yeah. Okay. This is the KFD. Yeah. So nice to see. Now, this time you need to read dua, that is Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Subhanallazi sakhalna hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Okay, this dua this dua can make our the life safety. No, not that. When we travel, that time you need to read it. Then your travel can be soft. Okay, safe. Okay. You see, there is also here down of this road. There is also a road. Okay. So you see this button, okay? I don't know what is the use of this button. And this button, yeah, no problem. 1 minute, yeah. And this button, if you press and move your seat, want to move your seat, press, then move down or up, okay? You can move your seat, okay? And that's all of this function. Now, let me see. Show this one. This one is the FE, and this one is stop. Okay, you can stop it. Oh, so yeah, so good. Okay, and there is also light. Okay, you see? So light, and there is this phone. Okay, this phone is to emergency, okay, emergency. And that one, okay, that monitor is a bigger monitor, and there is the driver, okay, and the monitor is, and they can show anything, okay, and the Celsius in this bus, okay, in this bus is 23 Celsius, and now it is 47, okay. You see, there is the seat numbers, okay. Many peoples are going to Medina, okay. You see, and this is a bigger this is a so big building, okay? So tall, yeah. So tall tower. Yeah, it is not building, it is tower. Okay, look, a car. Yeah, tall tower.
Our building.
Tower building. Yeah, and these cars are going. Okay, and there is also ad on the road. Okay, the monitor, and these cars are going. Yeah, you see, there is also that trees. Okay, yeah, and there is the car as well. And that's all about my Medinah Safar. Hope you got my Medinah Safar, and inshallah I can show you. I'll manage to show you the Medina and Mecca. Okay. Do you see these pillars? Okay, these pillars of the metro. Okay, metro is so bigger. Okay. So bigger. If you go more, let me make it more zoom like that.
Up is metro.
Up is metro. Okay, I cannot show you. Yeah, and see this building. Okay, this building I like it. Yeah, so nice design. Yeah, I make it zoom. I made it. Okay, now you see.
Don't need to make zoom.
Now, as you see, this building is,
It's the gate.
yeah,
Gate of
yeah,
this city.
yeah, gate of the city, and you see there is also thing, there is also a building that is like a snake. Okay, that is like a snake. Okay, and you see this one. Now you see this building, okay?
It's not a gate. Khalid? It's not a gate. What is this actually?
Metro station.
Ah, yeah, metro station.
Yeah, this is the metro station, okay?
Yes.
The metro has goes into the into the station, okay?
My dear viewers, look at the desert. I'm now showing you the desert, and you maybe can see the camel as well. I'll try to show you the camel, inshallah. It's a huge area. Desert is a huge area, and if you go up a desert hill, then you will see in the ground that there is water. Okay, you can see like this, but
Bus is going running, okay? So going speedily, okay? This car I have like this car, okay? And this is my car, okay? If I show it, yeah. Same and similar, okay? Similar than like that one, okay? Yeah. Amazing and amazing. Amazing and amazing. Yeah. See? A building. Now it is going speedily. You see? Oh. So nice. Okay.